constantly digitizing world where every click and tap leaves a digital footprint, the threat of cyber attacks has reached unprecedented levels. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the intricate ways on how websites are being hacked in 2024 and, more importantly, how you can shield your online presence from their malevolent grasp. Understanding how websites get hacked is crucial for anyone who manages or uses online platforms. First, we will explain the main methods used by hackers to compromise websites and provide practical advice on how to prevent such security breaches. Learning common vulnerabilities and implementing the safeguards discussed in this video can significantly reduce the risk of your website falling victim to an attack. Let's start with why websites are hacked. Hacking is driven by different motivations, most commonly for monetary gain, social or political reasons, revenge, and curiosity. Data is a new gold. Confidential data such as financial records, login credentials, research results, and other sensitive information collected on web servers are highly sought after by cybercriminals. Stolen data can be traded on the dark web for financial gain or revenge. Now we'll learn the most common reasons behind the hacking. Let's move to how hackers do infiltrate websites in 2024. Number 1. SQL injection. Hackers manipulate text input fields such as login or search fields to slip malicious code into the website database. For instance, instead of entering username in the username field in the login page, hackers might enter short SQL code to override the conditions set for user access to gain unauthorized access. This type of attack could be prevented by implementing input validation and parameterized queries which verify user input and treat it as data, not executable code. Number 2. Cross-site scripting. Hackers inject malicious scripts into vulnerable websites. Hackers use this method to steal user data, deface websites, or redirect visitor to harmful sites. XSS attacks can occur in various forms: reflected, stored, and document object model XSS, often exploiting vulnerabilities in user-generated content. The effective protection against this attack is to implement input sanitization and content security policies. By these methods, you restrict malicious scripts from being injected and executed in your website. Number 3. Malware. Hackers use malicious software to infiltrate websites and computer systems to cause website crashes, security breaches, or create a backdoor. Malware infection often occurs by exploiting website vulnerability, insecure coding practices, or third-party integration. You can prevent this attack by regularly scanning your website using reliable security tools which has frequently updated to cover latest threats. Number 4. Brute force. Hackers embrace brute force technique to gain access to admin or privileged accounts on the websites. Brute force is a trial and error method hackers use to decode encrypted data in websites such as passwords and members-only content. Number 5. Social engineering. Social engineering is a powerful method with the highest rate of success. Attackers can use this technique for hacking websites by exploiting vulnerabilities in human behavior. They might target developers to install malicious software on their computer, upload malicious files to internal networks, divulge login credentials, or access to restricted areas. Despite the evolving threat landscape and attack methods, there are concrete steps you can take to fortify your digital fortress and repel malicious intruders. Let's explore the essential strategies to safeguard your website and data from cyber threats. First and foremost, ensure that all software and applications are regularly updated to patch known vulnerabilities. Implement multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of defense against unauthorized access. regularly, back up your data to minimize the impact of a potential breach. Educate yourself and your team on the latest cybersecurity best practices to cultivate a culture of security awareness within your organization. In this digital arms race, knowledge and preparedness are your greatest allies. By adopting a proactive approach to cybersecurity and staying abreast of emerging threats, you can fortify your defenses and safeguard your online assets from the ever present specter of cyber attacks. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition into the realm of cybersecurity. Remember, vigilance is key, and together we can forge a safer digital future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more invaluable insights.